me for this my 2012 bike check. I'll start with the grips and make our way down to the back. I got the ODI Barends. Woo! The ODI grips. Federal lacey bars in matte blue. I got the S&M XLT redneck stem. Dirtiest piece of shit on my bike. I got carbon fibre spacer again, straight from Halford.
Upside down?
Oh, it's upside down. Fucking hell. I got the Colony Cane Creek headset with the BSD bearings, because BSD don't make pods what fit my frame because of Down syndrome pricks. I hate you, BSD. I got Federal 2020 Forks HDs again. I haven't snapped a pair yet. It's because I'm lightweight.
It's because you don't ride, because you're a pussy.
Shut up, you're fat and lanky. I got Primo 6s. Someone help me out here?
Primo 6 in the front.
Yeah, Primo 6 on the front with a profile hub in red, needs cleaning. I got this, what's all about. This was my Christmas present, my favouriteest one ever. A BSD trailorpark.
They got the right trailer.
I got the seatpost, which is pretty pivotal. I got the kinky white coat seat. On a kinky day like this, it's nice. Got the Odyssey twombolt cranks. Savage Sprocket. I don't know what the chain is, I bought it yesterday off Lewis for a £5. Yeah. Got the Odyssey rim. Odyssey hazard rim on the red profile again.
Tyres.
Teal fit fasts. I don't know why, but I thought that was good at the time. Oh, my pedals too. I got primo striker pedals, I think now.
What about bottom bracket?
Oh, BSD bottom bracket. It's really creaky, it's not very good. I don't like it.
Some dumb shoes.
And that is the end of my bike check. Oh.